In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a realistic image using Perplexity AI, specifically depicting Leonardo da Vinci in a modern-day setting. This step-by-step guide will take you through the process of creating a vivid, imaginative artwork of this renowned historical figure, as if he were living and working in the 21st century. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type in Perplexity AI. This tool is an advanced machine learning platform that can generate incredibly lifelike images based on detailed prompts you provide. Once you have typed Perplexity AI, go ahead and click on their official website, which should lead you directly to the platform where all of the magic happens. Once you are on the Perplexity website, it's time to create your prompt. This step is crucial because the quality and accuracy of the image largely depend on how detailed and specific your prompt is. For today's example, you're going to type in a prompt describing Leonardo da Vinci in the 21st century. Imagine him in a contemporary art studio filled with vibrant LED lights, digital screens, and an array of color palettes surrounding him. He's immersed in painting a futuristic portrait, utilizing both traditional tools like a brush and modern technology like a stylus on a tablet. Remember to emphasize elements such as detailed textures, realistic lighting, and cinematic realism, which will help Perplexity AI capture the vividness of your envisioned scene. Moving forward, after you've crafted the prompt, locate the Models section on the website. Clicking on this will reveal a selection of AI models available to you. Now, we'll be using the Gemini 2.5 Pro model. It's particularly effective for rendering high-quality, ultra-realistic images and is well-suited for our task. Select this model by clicking on it. With your prompt ready and the model selected, the final step is to click on the Submit button. This action will initiate the processing of your input, and Perplexity AI will start crafting the image based on the detailed narrative you've provided. Take this moment to imagine the possibilities as the AI translates your vision into a visual masterpiece. And there you have it. After a few moments, you'll have a beautifully rendered image of Leonardo da Vinci, blending the artistic elegance of his era with the innovation of modern times. Remember, this process can be repeated with various prompts and scenarios. Just let your imagination run wild and adjust the details to suit your creative visions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel inspired to create your own historical portraits using the power of AI.